Warning, 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 warning. This transmitted by civil authorities at 9 p.m. It have technical difficulties in Numtums Islands, February 11, 2023. They have their nuclear warheads from North Korea. Save shelter now or safety. The possibility for have a certain death dot in February 11, 2023 to February 17, 2023 in nation for a while. Please call 9-1-1 for emergency alerts. The following statements: cities: St. Mountain, St. Jersey, California North, area number 19, Charlie City, Seth Jersey, California South, Dakota City, David City, Rose City, and Pink Flower City. Which are fire bushes are appointment for the way safe shelter. It was take to leave to buildings, safe shelter immediately.